everybody, welcome back. So let's finish up this presentation on technical writing. Woo woo! We got this. Okay, so last time we had quite a few little tidbits here. We're going to do some more tidbits. So let's jump into those. Okay, need to move my face just a little bit here. There we go. So, be clear. Use precise words. Numbers are better than things like big or high. We made a big advance in quantum computing. What's that mean? Does that mean you can do it now? Does that mean you can solve useful problems? Maybe not. We had a highly accurate model. What's highly accurate for you? Is 51% of the time good enough? Is 95% high? What's that mean? Okay? You want to give numbers or something that is understood from your words. If I can't tell exactly what you mean, it's not good enough. Okay, second thing, let it flow. You have to tell a story here. It should have a clear flow from the beginning to the end. It should not be a jump when you go to a new section. It should lead from one place to the next. If you want to understand if you're doing a good job with that, once again, read your paper to someone who has no idea what you're doing. There'll be a lot of words they don't understand, and you'll know you need to define them. And when you get to a section, they suddenly get lost. Like, wait a second, you were talking about rockets, and now you're talking about mushrooms? Where's the connection there? And you're like, oh, wait, yeah, sorry, I forgot to tell you that we're hoping to grow Martian buildings using mushrooms. You think I'm joking here? This is actually a real thing. They're looking into using mushroom matter to build buildings on Mars. Super crazy stuff. Look it up. It's real. Okay, but if I didn't have that tidbit in the middle, then suddenly talking about rockets and how they're super important and we're going to get to Mars one day and why we're developing new mushroom growing practices would have no connection. So make sure you have those connections. Last thing, present facts or inferences, not opinions. Opinions are for newspapers. You're an engineer. Report what you see or know. And now you can't give an opinion, but it needs to be stated as such. Like, it is my opinion that this will benefit society through something, something, something. But that's usually for the end, okay? That's for the end of your paper, or if you're giving a presentation, that's for the question period. What are your feelings about your work? Well, then you give your opinion. But most of the time, you want to give numbers, okay? We're going to give facts. We can see that this model has improved on past models because it is more accurate than them. It has accuracy of 95%, and previously it was 90%. We've improved. Or things we can infer. We can see that the models that we're creating are getting better and better with time. And that as we add more data, I believe we will have an even more accurate model. You are more or less extrapolating there. You had some data and it got better. And so you're thinking, okay, with more data, it'll get even better. Is that true? Well, you'll find out, but you're inferring something from the data. You're not just guessing here. So only the facts. Only the facts. Okay. And then finally, the last thing is find yourself a good editor. Seriously, you need that good editor in your life. So if you're not sure who that person's going to be, have someone read your paper to you. Even if they're not an amazing editor, you'll be amazed at how different what they say will be than what you thought you wrote. Because you're going to read it as you think it should be said. And when they read it, they're going to say how it actually is because they don't have any part in building it or making it. Then finally, read your paper out loud to yourself. And then you'll smack yourself because you'll have like there in the same sentence. Like, why did I write there twice? And finally, read your paper to someone who has no idea what your research is about because they will catch all the issues where you haven't defined something, where you haven't connected things. And also where you just have terrible punctuation or you have really awkward, weird word choices. So if you don't have an amazing editor in your life, you can still make some good edits by doing these steps. So I hope this helps you. I hope you benefit from it. And I look forward to seeing your papers in the future. Have a great day. Bye-bye.